Favorable odds.
For the win!
Looks like we're gonna have to attack somebody.
Move right.
Your hero must survive. Attack the 2 ogres. Grab the gem. Okay. So, from my understanding before... Where's the gem? I can't see it. Oh, it's over there. So, we're gonna have to move right. Attack Krug. Move right. Move up. Move left. Attack him. And then get the gem. So, that's right. Attack. Move right. Move up. And then attack. What's his name? Grump? That Grump name. And then hero. So we have to attack them twice. And then we're gonna move left. No?
Move right.
Okay.
Move up.
Okay.
Attack! Move left.
I have to move left another one more.
Move right. Move right. Move up.
There we go. We missed that extra movement to the left.